Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching my video for the first time, please give me a thumbs up. Please smash that subscribe button and turn on those notification bells because it lets YouTube know that you're interested how to make money online. And then if you're struggling and not getting any sales from like ClickBank or Digistore24 or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, stick to this video right now because what I'm about to show you, it's going to blow your mind, and then you want to take action right now. Okay. So if some of you guys don't know about ClickBank, ClickBank is it's an affiliate marketing system that will allow you to generate like from $100 to like $1,000 a day, but it's all on you. You do not get rich overnight. It does not none of that. But this is a free service that will allow you to generate some passive income on autopilot. So with that being said, guys, if you saw my video last night, some of you guys who saw my video last night, I want to thank you for for taking the time of doing I'm walking you through how everything works and how the system works and how it runs. So remember when I told you guys last night that hopefully if ClickBank could get me some sales, let's just see what happened the next day. So we came here right now. This is uh, my lead gene secret uh, case study with ClickBank Part 2. Okay, you can go ahead and watch the Part 1. I'm going to leave that in the description down below so you can check that out for yourself. So, oh yeah, so guys, um, you want to know something? Um, if you don't have a ClickBank account, this is what we're going to do. You're going to come here, you're going to sign up for ClickBank, you're going to register, okay? So what you want to do, this is 100% free, no charge, 100% free. So what you want to do, um, if you put your first name and last name, phone number, email, and a good password to remember, a good easy password to remember, make sure you write it down. Or if you have a phone, put it in your notes so you won't forget, okay? Or if you had your computer will automatically save your password for you. That's if you have like an email that will save everything for you. So yeah. So with that being said, what you want to do, go ahead and fill out this rest of the information so that way you can get signed up. And then once you do that, you're gonna click continue terms and conditions, and then you're gonna click this, and then you're gonna hit join ClickBank. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna log in right now, and I'm gonna show you my results from what I have made from today. Okay, I'm gonna show you my results right now, so you guys won't be thinking that I'm faking it or I'm just BSing you. Because if it wasn't for me, I wouldn't be showing you guys, I wouldn't be teaching you guys my secret method that everybody does not know, and the gurus are not teaching you. Some of the YouTubers, they like teaching people, but they don't like showing them they don't like teaching them the right methods because when somebody teaching you the wrong methods, it does not work. You see, how can they be making money and then when you try to make money and it does not work? You see, they gotta teach you, they gotta train you and show you how to do it, so that way you can learn it from them. You see, none of the gurus don't never teach people like that. I've been through that type of situation before, and I went to seminars and I did all that. But I came across this amazing program that will allow me to generate passive income on autopilot, and I could just be chilling at the house, relaxing with my family and do what I do the best. You know what I mean? So of course. So here's the thing, guys. I'm about to log in right now. All right, I'm logging in. Okay, I got my first sale. I got $3. I got paid $3.66. Okay, that's not nothing, but that's a little something. But if I could get more sales than that, if I could make another sale like over $100, if ClickBank would let me make over $100 per day, then hey, this is the right video for you guys. So this is my proof right now that I'm showing you, because without this, without a system that gives me leads every single day and generate some cash flow, I wouldn't be showing you guys my results. I wouldn't be making no money from ClickBank, or I'd just be struggling just like you. But hey, I'm an affiliate marketer, okay? I know what to do as an affiliate marketer. I promote products. I don't give up. Never give up on your goal. Never give up on your dream, because this is something that you want to do in life. If you want to make passive income, you want to stick to the right video that you're watching right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come out of here, and we're gonna go. Yeah, this is my dashboard right now. As you can see, I made $3.66 today on the 17th today. All right. So yes. And then here's the thing. I'm going to go to marketplace, and I'm going to hit e-business slash e-marketing, and I'm going to sort this by gravity. All right. So this one I might promote. Let me see. What might promote? Okay. I was thinking about. Okay, I already promote this already. I already got my first sale already. So you see my first sale right here. The instant sales. I got that already. So let's see. See what I want to promote. Okay, what I'm thinking about promoting is the affiliate millionaire. Now a lot of affiliates has been promoting this product. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, actually, no, what I'm gonna do here, I am going to. Matter of fact, no. What I'm gonna do, I am going to do the affiliate marketing, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to promote the super affiliate John Crestani auto webinar funnel. So I'm going to promote that. Okay. So guys, bear with me here. I'm about to show you something. Now, this is another system called My Lead G Secrets. Now, this system will definitely help you out, and it'll definitely get your foot in the door. Okay. So if you don't have a My Lead G Secret account, there's a link down below in the description. You can go ahead and register. Uh, it's only $1 a day, but if I was you, I'd rather pay the $60 just to get started, and then the regular 30 days, you're going to be paying $30 every 30 days. Okay, so you can keep your membership active every single month. You don't have to create another account, another account. You ain't got to do all that. Okay, you ain't got to do like what other people are doing, because this is a waste of time doing all that. People ain't got the time and energy to do all that right now. But for me to tell you, you can have one account and you can do this. You can make, if you want to make money right now, comment down below saying that I want to make money right now. I want to make money right now. I want to make money right now. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you I'm going to show you my results I'm going to show you some of my results from what I had made from today, okay, from ClickBank. So one person, no, okay, let me go back to before I even do that, let me go here real quick. Okay, let me go to my reportings. Okay, three people, okay, there's three order forms that needs to be paid out. Okay, so I'm waiting. I only got one sale. One person already paid, but I got three more people that's that's gonna pay pretty soon. So hopefully, let's see by tomorrow night. But anyway, yeah. So here's the thing. From these clicks, right? So I got 97 clicks. So 9,000 has been sent out last night, when I did part one. Now this is part two that you're watching right now. So there's 1,140 that's open. Now the open rate is 12.67%. That's good. 97 clicks, 8.51 open. I mean clicks open, and then clicks sent 1.8%. That's pretty good, right? It's not that bad. So yeah. So yeah. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna hit mailing system. Okay. We're gonna grab these 9,000, and then what we're gonna do? We're going to go to ClickBank. Come back here. We're gonna go to Marketplace. We're gonna hit e-business slash e-marketing, affiliate marketing. We're gonna sort this by gravity. Now, if you want to make a higher commissions, I recommend you to do the super affiliate by John Cristani. A lot of affiliates been making a killing out here. They've been making money out here, man. They've been making money. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to test this out right now. And then what I'm going to do here, I am going to do this right now. I am going to go to email, and I'm going to go to email swipes. Okay. So email swipes. All right. So there we go. And then we're going to hit this, copy that. And then once we copy that, okay, copy this, copy that. All right. So we got that in there. We don't need to put that. Okay. We're going to leave that like that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go back to ClickBank. And then we're going to hit promote. Difficult, okay? And we're going to name this one MLGS, which is my lead gen secrets. All right? And we're going to generate hop link. We're going to copy it. We're going to close this. Go back to mailing. Go back to my lead gen secret. And then what we're going to do, we're going to make sure we put the link in here. Bam. All right. So everything looks updated. That's how we do it. I got to take this emoji out of here. All right. And then this will be it. This will be it, y'all. This is it right here. That's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send this email out right now. Oh, I forgot the subject line. Subject line. Oops. Let me go back. Subject line. We're going to pick a subject line. We're going to use this one, for example. We're going to use this one for right now. Bam. Come back. Bam. And there we go. So guys, this is very easy. All you're doing is doing email swipes. That's basically what you're doing. So when you sign up, you're gonna get 100 leads, and then if you refer somebody, you're gonna if that person decides to buy, you're gonna receive $5 on your behalf. Okay, and then once you receive that $5, right? Um, you're gonna see better results. I'm telling you right now. This is ain't no game. This is real. This is like a real action right now. What you're saying. You heard me? So this is it right here, man. So this is for you taking action. If you really want to make money as an affiliate, okay? You want to start promoting products, do the best you can. Don't give up. Keep going. So I'm gonna send this out right now. All right. All right, there we go. We just sent it out. So right now it is 9:41. We just sent it out at 9:41 Pacific Standard Time where I'm at. Okay? So guys, if you want to learn how to make money online, then go ahead and click the link down below to get started. Okay? The link is going to be for ClickBank, and definitely a link is going to be for Digistore 24 as well. And if you want to learn, if you want to know my number one recommendation for affiliate marketing, go ahead and click that first link down below as well too. So that way you can get access to what I have available right now. Because if you're looking to get paid $50 per referral, then I suggest for you to go ahead and click that first link. Okay, so you can able to make more money to generate some more passive income on autopilot. Okay, so guys, God bless you. Be safe and do as I'm telling you. You're gonna make it. Trust me. You're gonna make this happen. All right. So give me a thumbs up, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell so it lets YouTube know that you are interested in making passive income on autopilot. All right. So my name is Shaquan Motri, and I see you guys later. And be safe and stay sucker free out there. All right. Peace.